Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Hamster Wallet to your Tonkeeper account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Tonkeeper Wallet app. Also download the Telegram if you haven't already. Once you download this app, first of all, head over to your Telegram app. Once you are on your Telegram, first of all, log into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this interface. Now here at the top right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now search for Hamster Combat. Select the Hamster Combat option from the search results. Next up, here at the bottom of your screen, you can see the restart option. Tap on it. Now select the option play in one click. Tap on start. Now you will be taken to the Hamster Combat platform. Once you set up your Hamster Combat account, here at the bottom right corner, you can see the airdrop option. Tap on it. Now select the withdrawal tab. Now you can see the connect your Ton wallet option. In order to connect your Hamster wallet to Tonkeeper, you must have already created your account in Tonkeeper wallet. If you haven't created your account in Tonkeeper, launch the Tonkeeper app. You can follow the process to set up your account. Once you are logged into your Tonkeeper wallet, you'll see this interface. So now you can connect this wallet to your Hamster account. So once your Tonkeeper wallet is created, head over to Hamster Combat. So select this connect option, and there you go. Your Hamster wallet is now connected to your Tonkeeper wallet account. You can use this wallet address over here to do your transactions. So that's it. That's how you can connect your Hamster wallet to your Tonkeeper wallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.